Hi, good afternoon guys. Today is January 12, 2025. And pasok tayo sa Astoria. This is Astoria for a lunch. Sarap naman dito. Puro matatamis. Ayan. So, I'm meeting a friend for lunch. Lunch buffet here at Astoria. Cafe Astoria. Ayan, ang aking kadate, si Alma. Say hi! Kape muna tayo. Ayan, sarap naman. Thanks for the time. Pinirita ko ni Alma. Ngayon? May seminar pa? What time? Until what time? Ilang oras? What's this? Wow, I love the cakes. Walang chocolate. Walang chocolate cake.
Wala.
Pwede pa yung isang cake. One slice up. Thank you. What's this? Sinigang? Laing. Palabok? Can I have one palabok? One palabok. Sarap naman yung bread. This is raisin. And then the fruits. There you go. 0.5. And bulalo soup. Ayan. Let's get the soup. So it's literally bulalo soup with a twist of repolyo. Okay. Konti lang. Baka di natin maubos. Ayan. Okay na yan. O-serve na lang. Tsaka ito po. Konting bread. Thank you. Okay na.